Hello, my name is Priyanka Sharma. I'm currently working as a research scholar at Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, India. My interest lies in optical signal processing. Well, what I was doing when the Berlin Wall fell, I was actually doing this. When I was small, I always wanted to become a scientist, and I'm currently working in that direction and hope to become one soon. I am breaking the wall of high-speed communication using twisted light. The key challenge which my project addresses is the ever increasing demand to meet the high bandwidth and secure communication. I am working on improvising the physical layer, which is the optical fiber link. Researchers in the past have attained high bandwidth by utilizing various properties of light, such as frequency, polarization, quadrature, and amplitude, and have reached a limit on the maximum capacity that could be obtained. However, much has been uncovered in utilizing the space domain of the fiber, which has the potential to increase the capacity by many folds. And this, I believe, is the game changer for tomorrow's high speed communication. Current pandemic situation has moved everything online. There is a need for high bandwidth, and people are sharing critical data which they do not want to compromise on. So I feel my research can help the society in this aspect. The question which remain unanswered is how do we incorporate this idea into the current system by doing minimal change in the present infrastructure. And it's not the part of idea that's keeping me awake at night, but it's definitely the idea as to when I'll be able to go back to my college and resume my work.